need a pep talk, but not today. But this is a pep talk song, and you might not know this about us. We are low to mid-tier Canadian celebrities, like mostly low. Thank you. So this song went to number 3 on the Canadian CBC Top 20. What they say about me, I don't pay no mind, 'cause they don't know me, they don't own me. I let them talk. On my shoulder, let them push and swing, let them buzz and swing. I'm done with status quo. Let them talk, let them spin. Don't give up or give in. Let them cross and go, let them punch. They don't know how to get under my skin. What they say about me, I don't pay no mind. When they talk let them snoop and yell, let them trash and stare, but I'm compromised. Let them talk, let them say, I do me, they do they. Let them bash and crush, let them hiss and hush, they can't keep me away. What they say about me, I don't pay no mind. When they talk about me, well, they don't know me, they don't own me. I turn around and walk, I let them talk. For I paid the price for playing small. I think I've been, I've cried, I've rolled, I've lived a life to people please, and it's not for me. Oh, and I found out and disappeared. I've lived a life so I feel I know the cost. I've seen the end and I told myself never again. I go high, they go low, dodging rocks they flow. Let them preach and chant, let them rave and rant while I stay in the flow. Let them talk, let them smear, I won't back down in fear. Let them smirk and cock, let them squeak and spark.